Pam with Inspect It Like a Girl here. Today, we're going to talk about gutters. You know, those things that catch the rain when it's falling off your roof? Here are the gutters going all the way down here. And then I'm going to put my level, and it looks to me like these son of a guns have been put in with no fall, which means they're not going to drain very well. And then as a bonus, I put my golf ball in there, and it's not moving. You see, the thing about a gutter is it's got to have some fall. That's the angle that's needed so the gutter will drain the water towards the downspout. If there's not an angle, the water will gather up in the gutter and overflow into your house. That would be very unfortunate. So don't forget, if you're gonna get it inspected, inspect it like a girl.